Okay, so now we're going to look at the grammar for Click Clack Moo. And I'll be honest with you, the grammar lesson this week is really, really difficult. We're going to learn a lot of new concepts and ways to make sentences and use conjunctions with sentences and commas. And it is something that you're going to learn for the next few years. So this is an introductory. I'm not sure you've heard of this or tried this before. So don't panic if you're thinking, oh my gosh, I don't know what she's talking about. Remember, we're going to introduce it, we're going to work on it in class, and then we're going to work on it again a month later, and then work on it again a month later, and we're going to keep working on it. And you'll work on it in 3rd grade, and 4th grade, and 5th grade, and 6th grade. So I don't want you to panic when you first start hearing this. This is just going to be a brief explanation. And I put on my virtual classroom under the grammar, if you go to that, I put these rules. So what we're looking at is compound sentences. Now, a compound sentence is made up of 2 short sentences. We talked about what makes up a sentence. We need a subject and a predicate. So this is going to be 2 short sentences where we have 2 subjects and 2 predicates, and we're going to connect the words with words like as, or words such as and, but, and or, and then we're going to use a comma before the connecting word. So let me just give you an example. It says she loves cows. That's a nice short sentence. Here's another short sentence. She does not like milking them. So if you look, we have 2 periods. That means 2 short sentences. Now we're going to take and we're going to add the word but, okay, and a comma. She loves cows, which it says here, comma, but she does not like milking them. So we took those 2 short sentences, we added a comma and the word but, which is called a conjunction, and we made it one bigger sentence. Let's try it with the word and. I poured the milk, sentence number 1. I finished all of it, sentence number 2. Now we're going to use a comma and the word and to connect those. I poured the milk, comma, and I finished all of it. So let's look. We have a subject, I, the verb is poured, predicate, another subject, I, the verb or predicate is finished. So 2 subjects, 2 predicates or verbs, and then we connect it with a comma and a conjunction or and. So here we connected it with the word but, here we connected with the word and. Now we're going to connect 2 short sentences with the word or. So those are our connecting words, and, but, and or. Can you find the farm? That's 1 sentence. Should we ask for directions? That's 2 sentences. Now we're going to use a comma and the word or to combine those 2 short sentences to make 1 long sentence. Can you find the farm, comma, or should we ask for directions? So notice, can you find the farm is right here and here. Before we added that 2nd sentence, we have a comma and the word or. It's a connector. Should we ask for directions? Should we ask for directions? So both of the short sentences are here. We just connected them to make a longer sentence. We will practice these in the classroom. They don't come easy, but we're going to try really hard and we're going to work as hard as we can, and we're going to practice, 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 and you will get it at some point during the year. Let me know if you have questions.